In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a new site in Wix. We're going to walk through the process step by step. So by the end, you'll be well on your way to launching your very own news platform. Wix is a fantastic platform that offers a great variety of templates, specially designed for news websites. These templates provide you with pre-designed layouts that are perfect for displaying news articles, videos, and images, making it easier than ever to create professional-looking websites without any hassle. To get started, first, you need to sign up or log in to your Wix account. If you're new to Wix, creating an account is quite straightforward. Simply head over to the Wix website and follow the prompts to set up your credentials. If you're an existing user, just enter your details to log in. Once inside, head over to the Templates section. Here, you'll find a wide array of design options. Since you're planning to create a news site, scroll through until you find the News and Current Affairs category. Wix offers many options, so take a moment to explore. Look for a template that closely aligns with the vision you have for your news site, but don't worry too much about getting it perfect right away. Remember, you can customize almost everything later. After you've chosen the template that suits your needs, click on the blue Edit button to open it in the Wix editor. This is where the magic happens. You'll see that the Wix editor is user-friendly and intuitive, especially designed to accommodate people with varying levels of expertise. You'll be able to modify your template by dragging and dropping elements such as text boxes and images to match your layout preferences. One tip to remember is to maintain a clean and organized layout to ensure your site is visually appealing and easy for visitors to navigate. Now that you've got the basic layout down, start adding your content. You can insert news articles, videos, and images into your site. To add a new section or element, simply look for the option in the left-hand menu bar. Don't forget to maintain a consistent style throughout your site, as it enhances readability and helps with brand recognition. Next, head over to the Settings tab to adjust your website's settings such as links, SEO options, and social media connections. This is crucial for maximizing your site's visibility and improving user interaction. Tailoring these settings according to your target audience will ensure a seamless user experience. Finally, once your site looks ready, it's time to preview it. Click the Preview button at the top right to see how your site will appear to users. Carefully go through each page to ensure that all elements appear correctly and that everything functions as expected. If all looks good, you're ready for the next big step, publishing your site. Hit the Publish button, and just like that, your news site will be live and accessible to the world. Remember, running a news site is an ongoing task. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and appealing to your audience. There you have it. Creating a news site using Wix is both manageable and rewarding. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're excited to dive into your news creation journey.